hope everything is going great and that you had fun during the weekend. Today, we're gonna start studying the use of commas. I know that many of you know what a comma is, but just to review, a comma looks something like this. It's a little symbol that we use to make reading and writing more effective, to send the correct message and to understand what we are reading. When we are reading, when we see this in a text and we're trying to read it, we have to make like a little stop, breathe a little, and continue reading so that our text makes more sense. Okay, and I'm going to show you how these commas make text make sense. All right, so let's look at this example over here. I have a picture with 3 kids in it, 2 boys and 1 girl. Now, in the sentence, as an example, I wrote that these kids are my best friends, all right? So it says, my best friends are Mary, Jack, and John. Now you know the names of each of these kids, but what happens if I take away these commas and I erase them? What would the sentence say now? Let's try to read it again. My best friends are Mary, Jack, and John. So I'm not sure if Mary Jack is just one name, or if Mary is one name, Jack is another name, and John is another name. What do you think? Making commas and writing commas makes it a lot easier to understand. If you separate it by commas, now you know that each of them is a separate name. And when you read it, listen to me again closely, you make a little stop. My best friends are Mary, Jack, and John. Okay, let's see the next example. We have 3 ice cream flavors here. Okay, chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. And look how commas help me understand that these 3 flavors are different flavors. Okay, Felipe likes chocolate, comma, vanilla, comma, and strawberry ice cream. So I know it's 3 flavors that he likes. What happens if I erase the commas? If I take them away? The sentence would say, Felipe likes chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry ice cream. I don't stop anywhere, so I'm not sure if chocolate vanilla is one flavor, because you can have it mixed together, or if they're separate flavors. So that's why I write Felipe likes chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry ice cream. Okay, it was a little crooked, my comma there. All right, remember that a comma doesn't have to be very big or very thick. Like, I don't want to draw a comma like this and color it inside. That is not a comma, okay? And my comma does not go on top of the sentence and in the middle of the word. It goes right below the line, okay? Just the same size as the writing you're doing. Now let's go to the next example, the very last one. I printed out a paper with several means of transportation. So we have a scooter, a hot air balloon, a truck, a car, a plane, a bus, and a bicycle. I want to choose 2 of those means of transportation. So in this example, I chose 2 of them and I wrote this sentence. Jimena likes the car and the plane. Now, this is something to keep in mind. Since I only chose 2, the car and the plane, that means I don't have to use commas, okay? I use commas when it is more than 2 things I'm going to talk about or list. So, I separate the 2 things, the car and the plane, using the word and, which we always use in our sentences. But just make sure that when you're talking about more than 2 things, you need commas. And that in the last word, the comma comes right before the word and. Okay, it doesn't go after, but it comes before the word and. Okay? I hope you have fun with your work for today and that you understand how to use commas when we're making a list or when we're trying to separate names of things. Okay? Bye.